Welcome everyone, this is your host John, the cryptocurrency social media educator, and I'm making this video in advance. I have noticed, and I have one person comment under one of my videos for HNO Coin that I did to tell people to transfer money from your coins from Trust Wallet to Metamask. Yes, many of us have done that, and I'm not sure what's going on with Metamask as far as like showing coins for certain people and not showing coins for the amount for certain people in MetaMask now. So I'm just trying to do a video to try to help the community to in a way to help us with other wallets that's out here. So you can continue to see your coin value. So this is what I came up with. I Googled to see what other wallets that's out there that's similar to MetaMask and Trust Wallet, that can enable us all to show our coins and our value, USD value, in a wallet. And what I came up with was Safepal. So I actually download the extension. If you search Safepal extension wallet for Chrome, that's what you're gonna have to put it on. So you actually click on that. Then what you need to do is install for Chrome. Always keep in mind, have your 12C words from your original wallet, which was from Trust Wallet. Have them in already handy so you can import them. And once you download the extension, you go it's gonna open up. And remember, I told you on the previous icon in video, click on the puzzle piece once your wallet is there, and then click the pen icon so it can show Safepal extension. Y'all see it, and y'all can see the Safepal extension is on my it look like a S with a blue from what I see. That would look like to me. But I click on that, and once you open it up, it's gonna ask to create new or import wallet. You're gonna choose import wallet. Then you go through the steps. I believe it's gonna allow you to create a password. Go to the next step. It's gonna ask you how you want to import the wallet. It's gonna probably show a QR code, numeric code. That's what you need to do. Choose which is, let me see here, I got mine open, I'm just showing y'all this live, but for example, it should show, I'm clicking add new wallet here, but it'll be different on y'all end. But mnemonic phrase, that's what you choose. Mnemonic phrase, go through that, and then put in your 12C words. It should populate here, and once you got your wallet open and your 12C words in there, y'all can see my coins already showing. So your next step will be, once your wallet open, y'all see right here, got search coins. It got the 3 vertical lines. You'll click on that. You go hit manage coins. Get hit the plus symbol beside the search box and address, contract address. Hit the plus symbol. Choose network. Choose base. Paste go get the HNO Coin contract address from the email that HNO Coin sent you, or I will have the contract address in the description, in the first comment below this video, so you can easily copy it, especially if you're on your computer, and import it. If you're on the phone, just follow the same steps, paste the contract address, and it should populate, hit add, and your coin should show just like this, like mine is showing, HNO Coin base. So I'm just trying to help as I get intel and as members comment under the video, stuff like that. So that's how I was able to find out that the value wasn't showing in my MetaMask either after I saw the comment from somebody else and I went to check mine. As y'all see, mine is showing 0 and 0, which I know is still, my coins are still there, based on me not sharing my C words with nobody. And I just had to find another wallet so it can continue to show value and the amount of coins I got, which it is showing here. So I wanted y'all to see that for yourself. So hopefully this video helped. I'm just trying to make videos as I can to try to help keep the community informed of what's going on as far as the wallet side. So I'm making videos to try to help the community with that. And so far so good, it's working. So hopefully Safepal will be able to continue to keep a value of my coins and the USD amount. as things go forward. I'm hoping that they will, because that wallet is kind of more advanced. I just found out about it. Y'all could tell by the looks of it. So I'm learning as we all go forth. I'm learning this stuff as well. I had to get familiar with Safepal Wallet myself. So this is what I came up with. Hopefully this helped. And I look to see you on my next video. And please subscribe to my channel, like it, and hit the notification bell so you always get a notification and if a new video come out from me. All right, thank you for watching.